What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I'm going to install a cool product from RedRock. I got it on extreme terrain. It is a rocker guard. It's for the side. It's a plate that'll go right here, hopefully to stop some trail damage. I'm wheeling this weekend with a bunch of people and there's a lot of rocks, so I'm hoping that will just help protect a little bit. And yeah, should be pretty simple install as long as you have the right tools. You need a rivet nut setter. I ended up getting one from Harbor Freight. You need a drill. Yes, I'm sorry, you have to drill into your Jeep. It's pretty straightforward, so let's get to it. As you can see, this is them. I ended up painting them. I did bed liner just because I like the texture better and it goes with my Jeep. If you look on the other side, that's what it looked like, just like a matte black. So totally your call, your preference. First thing I'm gonna do is tape it up, figure out where my holes are. Here is the instructions. Should be the nuts, the rivets. Pretty easy, let's get to it. Alright guys, I only did one side yesterday. You can see, it looks pretty good. I actually painted the bolts just because I don't like that look of the rivets and the silver, and I guess I could just replace them with black screws at some point, but for now I just painted them black. Still have some touch-ups to do. I didn't do all the bolts on the bottom because you see I need to get a longer rivet nut, so I'll get those today, but I'm gonna go ahead and I like it. I think it looks good. It's on really solid. It doesn't look like water can get underneath, which is good. Yeah, I'm gonna do the other side. So if you see the other side, I'm just holding it up with tape. If you don't have a helper, the tape is the way to go. That's the hardest thing for me, is getting all of those bolts to line up and make sure the hole is not too big so the rivet will fit in there nice and flush. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and I should be done. So it shouldn't take me too long. So. I got the rocker guards on and I think they look pretty good. The second side is definitely a lot easier than the first because you kind of figure out everything, but the key thing is just making sure you have the guards on the Jeep really sturdy and still while you're doing your little pilot holes for the drill. And then it's just simple. Some of the bottom ones I didn't actually get. It was a little difficult, but they look good. I painted the bolts black just to make it look a little bit better. And yeah, check them out. Thanks for watching. Extreme Terrain, RedRock, Rocker Guards, Fergie, JKU.